I have several websites actually, but our website is going to market your home, but more importantly, we're going to work with social media and we're going to tweet you. We're going to do all kinds of things with Facebook, and we're going to be constantly pushing out, different notifications that will give people an opportunity to see your place. Obviously, we'll be holding open houses. We will do broker opens. We will do private appointments. Anything we need to do. And typically, when I do an open house, I don't just have your standard open house where we're just open from 1 to 4. I usually do what we call a block party. And when I do a block party, what I'm doing is I'm inviting all the homeowners from the neighborhood, and I'm letting them know that they have an exclusive invitation to come out and see the property that's going to be on the market. And this is prior to it actually hitting the market. We actually invite the homeowners in the neighborhood before anyone else gets to see it, because typically it's the other homeowners in the neighborhood who will sell that house for you, and they know someone who wants to live in the neighborhood, or they have a family member that they want to come into the neighborhood. So we really try to market in really unique ways, and with that block party, we're inviting not only the neighbors, but we're inviting other real estate professionals. We're inviting friends and families of our own. We have music, we have food, we make it an event. And when you have an event, it creates a buzz, and that buzz is going to create the heat on your home, and that's how we'll get your house sold.